All right, guys, we are starting Devil's Postpile Trail. And it is an evening hike, which makes it spooky. No, I was kidding. There's nothing wrong with an evening hike. Here we have some really soft ground. The parking lot's just back there. Find your park, find your park, find your park. Thank you. I stand with the world's rangers. That's nice. They made a little bench right here. Press X to take a seat. Press X to leave bench. So this is supposed to be a pretty straightforward hike, and it's not very long. So 0.8 miles actually. Devil's Postpile Trailhead. We have a big sign up here. Onward and upward. Why measure weather and water? Because it is important information. Please don't walk on the meadow. It kills the plants. Help us protect the meadow. Thank you. Got the meadow over here. Got Moo Moo Meadows. This is actually a pretty clean trail. Very.
Yes.
Yeah. You can absolutely tell where it is at all times. Unlike playing that little guessing game on the Crystal Lake.
Crystal Lake, yeah.
Yeah. Big old log here. We have, again, we have some rental cottages, what looks like. Oh, ranger station, never mind. What does this say? Who put that sign way up there? All right. Yeah, we're going this way. Unless we want to look at, I don't know, if there's some water down there. So as I said, there is some water down there. It's a stream. Got some more meadow in the center. Lava lake. Oh, prehistoric.
That might be what.
Devil's Postpile. So this is like what formed it. Glacial gouging. River runs. Cool. We're starting to see evidence of forest fires. Some burnt stuff up there. Burnt stuff over there. You can see it. Just a little bit. That part's burnt. That log is burnt. Pretty much charred. Big mountain up there. So yeah, we're starting to get a little bit of a little hints toward the fires. More of the stream, so it kind of goes through the whole thing. More burnt trees. Got more like stone walls. Some very steep, very steep walls leading up to the top there. More burnt trees. Some dead trees. Some stuff fall off the top there. Here we go, guys. Loop trail to top of Postpile. Oh, so you can like go to the... let me see this. Let's go ahead and get down to the bottom here and kind of see what's happening underneath. Because it seems like a lot of people are down there right now, so there must be an interesting viewpoint. Devil's Postpile is like a bunch of stone pillars that were created by volcanic activity. And actually, you can see a lot of boulders near the base here. A ton of them. And there's some... Here we go. Here's one of the pictures that I'm going to take. Actually, if I can... Let me see this. So here we have the boulders, and up there we have the Devil's Postpile. So guys, one thing that I noticed is that when you look at the way these rocks are formed, these are pieces of the columns that make up Devil's Postpile. So like this one's obviously a pile. You can see a ridge there, flat there, flat there, flat there. There are some more rocks that have that. You can see that one is flat right there. This one's flat here and flat here. More columns. That one's a big column right there, big piece of column. So it all fell off the top, which means these used to be a lot taller. This used to be a much larger wall. And that's really freaking cool. The stuff all of this stuff just fell off the top and it crumbled. It looks like it ends over there and it starts a little bit over there. Some of the pillars you can see the bottoms of them because it's all folded up like that. Super cool. And yeah, that's pretty much it. See you guys later and stay awesome.
Summer in the hills, those hazy days I do remember. We were running still, had the whole world at our feet, watching seasons change.